All right, fans, we've been kind of teasing social media a little about this Jeremy Smith guy, not the Jeremy Smith from Ohio who has spontaneous combustion pro stock. This is Jeremy Smith who bought himself a light modified for Mr. RJ Simon. So nice to meet you, Jeremy.
Yes, thanks for having me. I
Yeah,
appreciate
let's
it.
go for a walk. Let's head down
All
to the
right.
track here.
Yeah.
So, who is Jeremy Smith? How about that?
Well, I'm originally from upstate New York, around the Binghamton area.
Okay.
And I live down here about 3/4 of the year in Mount Dora, Florida. My dad used to pull when I was, I don't know, 10, 11 years old, and I really liked it.
What did he pull?
4-wheel drive truck in upstate New York.
What was it called?
I don't think he didn't have a name.
Okay. What was his name?
His name was Wally Smith.
Wally Smith.
Yep.
Is he still with us?
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
cool.
He'll be here. He'll be here.
So we gonna meet your dad?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So he pulled, and it was something I really took a liking to. And then I don't know, he had 3 sons, so I got 2 other brothers, and he thought it'd be a good idea to maybe get a dairy farm, must be to keep us all working. So he got out of the pulling, and it's something I always wanted to do, and I just couldn't afford it when I got out of school. So I got into racing stock cars on dirt tracks, and moved up to the modified division, and I've been doing that since 1997. I haven't drove in the last 2 years, but so I'm from the Northeast dirt modified world, and now both my sons race dirt modifieds, and we have a full-blown racing operation in upstate New York.
What are their names?
Matt Smith and Darren Smith.
Okay. What number are they?
Matt's number 28 and Darren's number 12.
Because there's a lot of crossover between racing and
Yeah.
and we're kind of starting to see that down here because pulling is not big in Florida at all.
Right. Yeah,
there's-
racing's the same thing. There's so many things to do in the state of
Right.
Florida. You know, it's kind of hard to compete against all the theme parks and all the things
Right.
going on in the good weather, compared to the Northeast and probably the Midwest too.
Well, that's kind of why we picked this, Jeremy. Was because of the pulcation. I mean, that's a word we kind of came like a vacation. Like, let's go pulling. Some of the guys are coming down. Some of the pullers are coming down. They're staying for the week, Jeremy, and some are taking their rig to Satsuma on Sunday, and then they're gonna head home. They'll fly home. So we'll
Right.
see what happens. So we're gonna walk
Right.
out on the track here.
Yeah.
So let's talk about pulling. So you talked about your dad a little bit, Jeremy, but how'd you find RJ, and what made you decide to build or to buy a light modified?
It's something I always wanted to do, and like I said, I never could afford doing it. So we went out to Pulltown last year. There was a race out in Sharon, Ohio, that my son was in for the Super Dirt Series, and
Okay.
on the schedule there was some pull out in Ohio, and so we rolled into Bowling Green. Lo and behold, it's the biggest pull of the year.
The biggest pull in the
And,
world.
yeah, and we watched Thursday night, and I just talked to my wife, and I said, man, this would be fun. And she's like, well, you've always wanted to do it. You might as well do it now before you get much older.
Right.
And so I just started kicking the can around a little bit, and then I saw that one of my crew guys from the race team, he's a pretty sharp guy, Jared, and I said, well, maybe look at building a tractor, So he made some calls around, and that was we didn't even know any of the engine builders or anything. And then I saw that RJ was selling a tractor, so I called him, and he was very helpful, and kind of steered me away from that. He says, yeah, to get started, it may be hard to build a tractor if you don't know what you're doing. And I'm glad I ended up going with him, because he's coming down this week.
Yep.
And next week, and giving us a hand. And I mean, like I said, I've been around the racing business, and to buy a race car from somebody and have them deliver it to Florida and bring a crew and themselves to teach you how to drive it and everything. I mean, that's one in a million opportunity to get that,
And he's going to want you to be successful. He's very, very proud,
yeah.
and he always wants to see his stuff do well. So I think that's good for you as well there.
Yeah, so real thankful for that. I mean, he's a very busy guy, and to go out of his way to come to Florida, to give us a hand, means a lot to us, and really think a lot of them, because of that. So that got us down here, and I only live, in the wintertime up the road, I'm probably 10 minutes from here. I told RJ I could probably ride my bike here if I wanted to.
All right, so you'll have some family and friends swing by and watch.
Yeah,
it?
oh yeah. Good. We have a business down here. We do site work construction, and so we'll have.
Yeah, I see your hat. Is this Smith?
Yeah, well, that's the race. I think
that's a race hat. Okay, yep, I see the names.
But so we'll have some people down here. I kind of wanted to pull the first time where nobody was watching, but I guess.
Well, I'm hoping there's lots of people here.
Well, I mean, people I don't know.
Yeah, no,
but they all pick on me because I want to, run back in upstate New York. And my one son that races, he goes, well, you better get some pulls in before you get to the local fair because everybody's going to come to watch you and you don't want to
Yes,
make a
they
fool of
are.
yourself.
Yes, they are. So have you sat on the tractor? Have you started
Just
it
a
yet?
little bit. I haven't seen the tractor since I believe it was the end of September.
Okay.
So, and just sat on it a little bit and looked it over and everything. And RJ sent me some pictures, but no, I have never even sat on it to start it. I mean, we're going to show up here. I think the tractor's going to get here tomorrow night or Friday, and RJ's coming in Friday afternoon, and it's
Okay.
literally going to be, okay, how do I shift this thing, and
Yep.
where's the throttle, where's the brake, and where do I need to head?
Yep,
So,
to the end, towards that
yeah,
southern
okay.
swing banner down here. So, what's funny is you're a lot taller than the other Jeremy Smith too. That's why
Okay.
I teased the internet a little bit this morning. I said Jeremy Smith making his debut on the tractor. Now I did notice it looks different. You got obviously got the Simon Sez wrap off of it. What did you end up naming the tractor?
Underestimated.
Okay, and why'd you do that?
Just because we're in the construction business and you estimate a lot of things. And I actually saw a truck down here, it was a lowboy tractor that said underestimated, and I said, that's kind of a cool name for a pulling tractor, and so that's kind of what I went with.
Awesome, I love
Yep.
it. Well, hey, good luck this weekend. Thanks for being a part of Zellwood and our Southern Swing. We've been watching social media contents for years. They haven't had Grand National pulling down here since like the 90s. And the last time they were down here for points was in 1979 in Tampa. So it's pretty exciting. We just want the fans to know that there's going to be 70 awesome vehicles here this Friday night and Saturday night, and then next weekend in Satsuma. So
Right. Yeah. Hopefully it's something that I know in the racing business that we come from. We come down for 2 weeks, to race cars in February, and that seems to be a big thing. The sprint cars come into town and the late models, down here in Florida, and I think it's a good idea. Whosever idea it was to come down here and do this, because what's cool with the racing is you get a mixed bag.
okay.
What I mean by that is you'll get some different guys that maybe wouldn't run the circuit, but because it's winter and maybe they're not working, maybe they're construction guys or farmers or whatever, they're going to come down and play that maybe they wouldn't go to, a show in the middle of July or something,
Okay.
because they're busy. So racing's that same way down here. You get a mixed bag and you get extra people or extra competitors that will show up and maybe run against, some of the better guys and stuff like that. And
Well, yeah, these are the defending champions coming to Kentucky, and you'll be competing
Right.
against him. This is for points.
right.
So
Yeah.
this is the real deal.
Yeah. RJ threw me to the wolves on this deal.
That's
didn't
okay. But he already cashed your check, right?
he? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you're good. So no,
Yeah,
he'll take
but no,
good care
I
of you.
think that the Florida thing is just is a really cool deal. It's good weather, and especially the winter we had up there, across the rest of the country.
We're supposed to
in the
get 10 inches of snow again this weekend.
Are you?
In
Yeah.
Wisconsin, where I live. So,
Yeah. So I just think it's a really good deal, and people can make vacations out of it.
Yep.
We're not far from Daytona. We're, I don't know, I'd say an hour and 20 from Daytona.
so much to do. And
Yeah.
we already have campers rolling in. Our first 2 or 3 campers are here. So
Yeah.
for our first year, we're tickled about that. So,
Yeah. Yeah. And midweek, you could go to if you're in between both, you could go to the theme parks and
Yep.
just all kinds of things to do down here.
Awesome. Well, Jeremy, good luck this weekend.
All right. Thanks for having me. I appreciate it.